Hello dear students, today we are going to learn about very interesting topic. Topic name is phonics, alphabets and sounds A to Z. Now let's start. A says A-double-P-L-E, apple. B says B-A-double-L, ball. C says C-A-T, cat. D says D-O-G, dog. E says A, elephant. F says fish. G says G means grass. H says horse. I says ice cream. J says jar. K says kite. L says lion. M says monkey. N says net. O says orange. P says parrot. Q says question. R says rat. S says squirrel. T says tomato. U says umbrella. V says van. W says water. X says X-ray. Y says yak. Z says zebra. Okay students, if you like the video, be sure to subscribe, like and send it to others. Thank you. Bye bye.